ready for whatever. Heading to Knoxville next weekend. Knoxville dragway for the Outlaw Security Group ET Eliminator class points. First points race of the season. First race. Mark your calendar. Come out and see me. Carry goes to the bulldozer. I'm getting my mind set on a championship. You come along with me. Don't tell them they never raced somebody like me yet. But they're gonna know that I'm there. I'm not gonna tell them my secrets. But I'm gonna tell them that if they ain't on it, they're gonna face it when they get loaded up by me. I don't care who you are, what name you are. I'm in it to win it this time. 6 years trying to win my first race. I won last year. Now trying to win me a championship in my 7th full season. And I'm about to do it. I got confidence. And if they're not on it, the bulldozer's taking it.